Simply Emmy is here, and we are going to make one of my favorite seafood. It is the mussels from the Prince Edward Island. In the Philippines, it is called tahong, or the green shells, because of the distinct green color on the outer part of the shell. We have here is a mix of black and brown. Now I'm going to show you how to cook this mussel. This is very simple yet very tasty. Here's what we need. Of course, the mussels. We have 1 kilogram mussels here. We also need 3 cloves of garlic, minced and chopped, and a big piece of ginger root, cut into slices and chopped. I prefer to use a lot of ginger as it gives so much flavor and aroma to the seafood or the mussels. Make sure to wash the mussels really well. Usually I soak it with water to make sure that there is no opened shells. The open shell is the indication that it is already dead. Get rid of that, only keep the tightly closed mussels. Using a big pot that can accommodate the shells that you have, heat the pot and put about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's saute the garlic and ginger. Now I can smell the aroma of the ginger and garlic. It's time to add the mussels. Mix together, and so the flavor of the garlic and ginger will get into the shells. Now cover it and steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's check. Now it's boiling nicely, and you can see the shells are starting to open. If you observe, I do not use salt on it. It is because mussels are already filled with salt water. In this way of cooking, it will create a natural soup that is perfectly matched with the plain rice. Now let's cover it again and simmer for another few minutes until it is fully cooked. Ta-da! Now it is ready to serve. I can't wait to taste it. You see that, guys? It has a milky soup that comes naturally from the mussels. The taste is already perfect for me, but if you prefer a little bit of salt on it and pepper, you can add so. Now it's tasting time. It's so yummy. Masarap. Guys, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification for